Morning to all. We are from JPHS Mukka.
My name is Jay. I'm studying 9th class.
My name is Virat Teja, studying 9th
My
class.
name is M. Sishan. I'm studying in 9th class.
My name is K. Mojit. I am studying in 9th class.
My name is L.T. Samir.
We made project Rotary encoder controlled DC motor.
We used materials, rotary encoder, DC motor, fan, jumper wires, breadboard, driver, Arduino Uno, USB cable.
When we rotate the rotary encoder, automatically the rotating of fan it will increase. We rotate the rotary encoder to reverse, the fan will decreasing rotating. It works like this.
ఒక నిమిషం సార్ అప్లోడ్ చేయండి కోడ్ సార్ తీసుకొని మేడం ఒక నిమిషం కొద్దిగా
Thank you.
Thank you.